Hello there. How we doing? Hope everyone's had a great Monday. It's almost the holidays. Last week on the RPD show, I had my friend Max on the show, and he's the co-founder of a company called Slashare, and he sent me a little care package, and he wanted, the goal of it is to get a live reaction of like what's inside. It's like a bunch of random stuff from their website. So I have no idea what's in here. I really don't. So this is live and authentic. He didn't have to do this. This was really nice of him. He's such a great guy. I appreciate you, Max. But let's see what the good folks at Slashare have in the. Hopefully I can open this in 60 seconds. Oh, no way. So it looks like a dress belt, which actually I really need. So Merry Christmas to me. A men's, a new wallet. 2 belts and a dress belt. Wow. This is great. This is a nice belt. Wow. How did you know? How did Slashare know? And we got a wallet here, a men's wallet. Dude, this Christmas came early. Let's see. Man, this is nice. So a wallet, dude. A new wallet. Italian made. This is good leather. A new dress belt. This is a genuine leather dress. Or no, this is a woven belt. Dude, I'm shocked. This could have been anything. And a new wallet and 2 belts. Thank you, Slashare. Thank you. This is so cool. Thank you, guys. Cool.